My husband is going to make a homemade margarita.
The salt. So I need to make a few slices of lemon or lime. Then I need to have
You went shopping?
went shopping, come back with a triple sec, or in this case a Cointreau, a tequila gold, and some fresh lime juice. This is all you need to make a tequila. No, I'm lying.
Tequila?
A margarita. I'm lying. You need a...
The shaker.
Yeah, what is it?
Here, on this side. Yeah, slide it. There you go.
Shaker. And we take 45 milliliter. This is...
I believe you.
4 centiliter. So that's the same as 40 milliliter. We take plus 45. This is 8, so it needs a little bit more. Oops. And we like tequila, so
The more the merrier.
Then we take the Cointreau, and for the Cointreau we need 20 millimeter. I'm going to make 2 glasses, so we need 40 millimeter.
Milliliter, not millimeter.
Milliliter.
Yeah, millimeter.
Milliliter.
Yeah, that's what I said.
So I need 4.
Sounds very
centiliter.
strong. That's it? Not yet.
Then we need 60 or 30 actually per glass. So we need 60
Of
milliliter of
lime juice. So the
Which
lime
is-
juice I already did earlier. That is fresh lime juice.
1 full one on this side and 1 full one on that side. This is the recipe for a classic
Margarita. I love you when you call me Margarita.
The question mark is, do you want to have the margarita cold? If you want it cold,
Of course I want it cold. What a question.
in the mixer. Oops. This one we can close. Put it tight. Do nothing yet. Take the glasses as you want them. Put some lime
Around the glass. The top of the glass.
around the top of the glass. Try to make a nice dip.
So we're using rock salt.
In the salt. Look at this. How bountiful.
Bountiful. Maganda. Galing.
Boom, shake it, shake it,
take off the top from the shaker.
Okay.
Here we go. Let me see. Because these glasses are new to me. I want to be fair and honest. Share it honestly. I think this is pretty okay. Okay.
Yes, my dear. That's how it should be.
We take a bigger one. 2 classic margaritas.
Prost. Cheers.